Good morning, it's Mark Leibovit from VRTrader.com. And yes, you're listening to the theme from science fiction theater from the early 1950s. Why? Well, watching the news this past week in the markets and the world, it was like witnessing a reality that has gone berserk, and it was not science fiction. Meanwhile, here we're going to be looking at the reality of the biotech stocks here on our Metastock charts. Here we have the IBB, but let's back up for a second here and take a look at the Metastock homepage where we offer our volume reversal toolkit. We have three versions: the sequential, which posts all negative and positive volume reversals, our directional, which filters out repetitive volume reversals, and our 2-day, which is based on the premise that following a negative or positive volume reversal, you tend to get movement in that direction for a couple of trading days. So with that said, we do offer a 1-month free trial, and you certainly would want to consider that, I think, because it's been a stable indicator for 35 years in my toolkit. And it, as you can see here, and let's look at the example, the break in the biotech stocks on Thursday and Friday was no big surprise. We actually generated a Leibovit negative volume reversal on September 21st. The break on Thursday and Friday was attributed to Hillary Clinton, saying that price controls might be something she would want to consider with regard to drug stocks, and that filtered into the biotechs. But we had a 533 declining stochastic, and there was a trade here, even if you took the trade on Thursday, but there was warning several days before. And even before that, let's look here, all the way back into July. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 overall negative volume reversals plus the 2 here. These past few sessions, you had 9. Yes, you had a couple little positive trades here along the way for a day or two, but it showed, in my opinion, basically distribution in the biotechs. Way overdone. I mean, these things can drop 50 to 90%. Here's a weekly chart. Leibovit negative volume reversal here posted back on July 31st. You had a declining stochastic on the weekly chart, so you had warning. And this is, of course, the big climax low on August 24th for the overall stock market. But we could be going back down through that. In fact, if you look at the 200-week moving average, it's way down here in the where's that, the 225 area, 219 actually, and we're closing around 310. So there's a lot of potential here to the downside, I think, in the biotechs. So as far as vrtrader.com, as a reminder, we do have trades. We put on trades in situations like the biotech and others. Platinum is a service that provides those. Silver is just our regular market commentary. We have our Leibovit VR Gold Letter, which covers not only gold, but most of the natural resource stocks and ETFs, our annual forecast model, which is our VR forecaster report that comes out once a year, our new Vice letter, which covers cannabis stocks, drug stocks, gaming stocks, alcohol stocks, tobacco stocks, and that's why we call it the Vice, but there is a bit of an emphasis on the cannabis. And don't forget about our Trader's Book of Volume. And don't forget about our new radio show, Wall Street Raw, on Saturday mornings, 10 o'clock Eastern on GCNlive.com. That's GCNlive.com. So check in, and we'll speak to you soon.